Alla rauskommen.
Was? Hä? Happy birthday. Hallo, sing damit, oder nicht? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So, hello guys! Kumusta kayo? So, human sa ating Pasko na video. Ito naman guys is birthday na video. Actually, meron pa akong New Year na video at videos sa mga kids. Pero ito na lang muna. So, birthday ko that time. I'm a January baby guys. So, January pa ito na video guys. And then, ayan nga, sinurprise ako ni Ella at saka ni Vanessa. Ayan, nag-wish ako. Tapos, na-realize ko, nganong ako man ang nag-video kung si Frank di ang mag-video. Yeah. So, ayan nga. And then, so, nag-wish na ako ng birthday ko. So, my only wish talaga is good health dun sa buong family, guys. Especially to my parents na tagaan pa sila taas ng kinabuhi. Na unta, kung family, always good health yun. Bukod yun na pinaka-importante guys. Guys, the month of December, we were all sick. Nagkasakit talaga kami buong pamilya. Doon ko talaga na-realize na health is wealth. And then, so ayun, life is short. So that's why, yeah, yun na nga. Basta mo na to. So ayan, may regalo yung mga bata para sa akin. May ginawa sila para sa akin. Sinurprise nga nila ako. This is actually night before sa aming travel guys. The next day travel kami to Austria. And then, ayan, kasi nag-ano talaga ako na, okay, I'm 33 years old. So, since I'm a hardworking naman, so, I treat them all to trip to Austria. So, nagsabi ko, sige, punta tayo ng Austria, kami lahat. So, ayan, syempre naman, kinsa man di ay binlan sa mga bata, no, kung kami lang duwang Frank. So, ayan, may ginawa si Ella na pa-surprise, and I'm very glad, I'm very thankful, and sa akong kang mayor, sa ni Ella at saka ni Vanessa. And then I was really glad guys, and I'm very blessed. So ayun nga, so muna to. And then ayan, may pa drink pa si mayor. This is my favorite drink guys. This is non-alcoholic drink, pero grabe ganahan jud kay ko ani niya. So mo ni, cheers to 33 years old. Thank you talaga sa family ko na kahit wala man ko bongga na handa, pero andyan sila lagi guys. Sino-surprise nila talaga ako.
Mid-shins. I'm 33. Jetzt? Du kannst schlafen in Bus.
So ayan na guys, papunta na kami ng Austria. We traveled by train guys. Alam niyo naman dito sa Europe, you can travel by train. Mas faster pa siya. Of course, mas faster talaga kung flight. Pero ito, nag-train lang kami guys. Nag-ICE train. This is a fast train dito sa Germany. And then, ayan nga. Yan yung view papunta sa Austria. Maano talaga dito guys, ma-nature. So, ano bang sa first day to namin sa Austria. Ang taas ng biyahe pero maganda naman. So, ito na nga guys. Dito kami magsistay ng 4 days. Guys, dito tayo magstay for 4 days. It's like Airbnb guys. So, ito yung entrance. And then, pagpasok mo ito, nagkalat kasi mauray pag-abot na mo. Apartment siya, 1-room apartment. So, meron siyang little kitchen. So, ayan nga siya guys. Sa Airbnb, sa booking.com ko siya nakita. And then, yeah, yan yung sinuggest sa amin. So, family of 6. And then, ito si Francine. Niambak siya sa bed. Tapos, naano siya. Nasakitan kasi hindi siya ang bed kasi ang foam sa bed hindi masyadong makapal. Akala niya same sa bahay. So ayan, kaya umiiyak. Yeah, ayan. Ayan siya guys. So meron siyang sofa bed. Maganda to siya pang family. Ayan. So,
There's toaster here.
there's a toast. And this is, ano sa man ni dire? Electric fan. Gibutan mo ulit. And then, toilet dira. And another room. Ito lang, simple lang kayo guys. Sa apartment. Ay, naaday untay ko ano. Nagdala pa ko blower. Kabi na ko walay blower. For ironing. That's for ironing, B. But, no, just leave it there. Just put your tashi in the here. Oh. Okay?
Even a dishwasher here, a small one.
They have a small dishwasher. Okay. That's good for kuan here. Na is this a cool shrunk?
Yeah,
But that cool shrunk is
empty.
not really clean, eh?
It is clean.
Okay.
Clean enough.
Okay, na cool
I don't
shrunk.
think at home we have a cleaner.
There's a stuff. Probably the previous.
Left it.
So, and Francis is here. And then meron tayo na siya gamay na balcony. Ayan. Ay gamay na balcony. Is that Sue yet? Pa? Is that Sue? Okay. Then I need TV. There. Take off your shoes, pa.
Are we not going to go out?
Take off your shoes first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Francis, that's a good boy.
That's it.
Uy, take out your daddy, B. So you later, B, you can have milk, B. So yun na nga, imbis na lalabas kami for dinner, nag-order na lang ako ng pagkain. And then amazed talaga ko sa pizza nila dito guys kasi ang laki talaga as in malaki. Akala ko same sa Germany na ang family size is kailangan ko umorder ng dalawa. Pero dito grabe, ang laki talaga niya guys. Nahirapan talaga kaming umubos. Naabtan pa og fushtok or breakfast. And stop touching and putting it in the inhale. There's a one there, look at it. Ayan na. So hot. Oh. It's the same when I was young. Yeah, it's the same. System is pasta. That's pasta guys. Open. Da mabugnaw man na nyo. Patay tinidor. So, ginoki. Pasta. Carbonara. Sige na, kaon na mo.
Yeah, that's the church, what you have seen in the picture that Ella was sending here.
Hello.
60 minutes more.
Ala lang ko. Tour guide. My tour guide.